This
How
conference will
many
now be recorded.
has completed yesterday questions? I gave you some homework. So how many people completed this homework? Yes. Anyone who are here? Yes. Anyone who are here? Yes. Ananya, Anuj, Dhruv, Kanak, Mayank, Mradul, Navya, Niharika, Palak, Pragati, Rashi, Rudra Pratap, Tanish Bhardwaj, Tanisha, Yash Bhardwaj, Yes Tomar, Manvi. Yes. How many? How many has been completed? Yes. Anyone? Listen my voice. Yes. Anyone able to listen my voice? Yes. No one on the call. Chat box पर. Now I receive few message. Hello. Yes. Everyone able to listen me now? Yes. Who have not homework can take the screenshot right now. Take one screenshot who don't have homework. ऐसे बच्चे जिन लोगों के पास होमवर्क नहीं है वो लोग अभी एक स्क्रीनशॉट लें क्योंकि यही मैंने होमवर्क दिया था आप लोगों को करने के लिए राइट चलिए तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट करते हैं बच्चों दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 राइट दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 तो पहले 1 वाला कंप्लीट करते हैं है ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 चलिए तो देखिए क्या करना है इसमें बहुत आसान है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमारा जो है वो कुछ ऐसे है ए बी सी एंड डी दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है ना कैसे करना है हाउ मेनी रोज आर देयर यस देयर आर 2 rows so I just created 2 rows first okay in first row there is single column okay so I start td a and td close okay and in this second row there are 3 columns b td td c td close and the last one is td d ठीक है and then the first row I need to write call span equal to 3 okay yes everyone so I just run this code I do F5 and my code is completed, right? You can take a screenshot of this code. This is the output and this is the screenshot. You can take a screenshot of it. Yes, everyone, you can take it out also. Okay, I think all has been done. चलिए दूसरा क्वेश्चन करते हैं. And what is the second question? हेलो, हाँ जी, किस क्लास में मैम? किस क्लास में? 10C में अभी आई हैं वो? हाँ, तो अभी कौन सा एप्लीकेशन स्ट्रीम क्या चूज किया है उन्होंने? स्ट्रीम क्या चूज किया है? पीसीबी, पीसीएम, कॉमर्स? कॉमर्स, वो सॉरी बायो, बायो. ठीक है मैम, मैं आपको भी लिंक सेंड कर दूंगा. अभी तो मैं क्लास ले रहा था, तो मैं लिंक सेंड कर दूंगा. उस लिंक पे जैसे क्लिक करेंगे आप ग्रुप में ऐड हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, आपने अपनी स्ट्रीम रजिस्टर्ड करा दी थी जो पहले ग्रुप बना था 11 का? मैम मैं थोड़ी देर में फोन करूँ, एक्चुअली मैं लाइन पर हूँ क्लास में. ठीक है मैम, ओके. Yes, now move to the second question. And what is the second question we have? Okay, the second question we have. ठीक है, I just drew the second question, and this is अरे यार, I again draw this second question. A B C A, ठीक है. Here is B and here is C, D, E. Okay, like this we have. Let me confirm. Yes, okay. So yes, hello, yes, Bharadwaj, you are able to listen? Yes, Bharadwaj, is you able to hear? Yes, hello, yes. Are you able to hear me? Yes, okay. That's good. So now this is the second question. We have, let's continue this again. Okay, let's continue. Yes, this question. Just brief. How many rows? Rows in this question? Yes, everyone. Yes. How many rows in this question? How many rows in this question? Two rows. That's good. That's good. And in this question, three columns. Okay, three columns are there. That's good. I received the replies. Three columns are there, and we have two rows, right? And this concept is called span row span. Yes, everyone. Call span row span. Yes, everyone. This concept is called call span row span. Call span. That's good. That's good. Mini Palak. That's good. Call span. Okay. So I just create this code. Just see very carefully. Okay. I just created this code. See very carefully. Okay. Just see. So I do two rows first. I created two rows first. In this row, two columns. In the first row, A and B. And B call span equal to 2. Okay. In the second row, and there are three columns: B, C, D, and E. Okay. So this code is completed. Let's see the output. And I do F5, and you can see the right code is here. Okay. So you also take the screenshot of this question also, so you can be check your code. Okay. Just I'm moving to the next code. You can take the screenshot of this screen also, and moving to the next code. Yeah. Yeah. Moving to the next code. And what are the next code is? Next code is AB. Okay. This one is the next code. Okay. So next code is just I just give me a moment. Okay. A, B, and C. And here is D and E. Right? So this we need to create. Now, give me some brief about this code. Give me some brief about this code. Now, what is in this code? Row span, call span, row span. That's good, Manvi. Manvi, Mini. That's good. That's good. Riddhi, row span. Row span is there. Okay. Let me create this tr and TD. In the first row, we have TD A, TD close, B, okay, B and C also. So I do row span equal to, and in the second row, we have two columns only. Two columns in the second row we have. So D and E. I save this and I run the code. I do F5 and you can see the output here. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is the output here. This is the output here. So you can take a screenshot of this code also. This is the code for this structure. You can take the screenshot. Yes, everyone, take the screenshot. Okay, for this purpose. Chaliye, move to the next. Move to the next. Okay, this one we have. Okay, this one. A, B, C, 3 row. Okay. So we have A is here, right? B, C, okay. D, E, F, G. Okay. Let me check once. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is the code. So give me a brief about this code. Row span, col span. How many rows, how many columns? Row span, that's good. That's good. Row span. How many rows, how many columns? Yes. Row span, 3 rows. Good. Columns, how many columns? 3 columns. That good. 3 rows, 3 by 3. That's good, Palak. Palak Mittal, very good answer. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. What is the value? What will be the value of row span? Yes, everyone. Value क्या होगी row span की? 3. That's good. That's good. So yes. So let me take this table also. tr 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 close. Okay, and td close in this A and row span equal to 3. I required one more td B td close and one more I required C, and same way I need to create 3 rows and in this row only 2 columns are there. In this row also 2 columns are there and their data is D, E, their data is F and G. Okay, I save this code, run this code, and you can see the structure. Okay, so we have done it. So you can take a screenshot of this page also. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this also. So you can do practice. If you have not done this code, you can do practice. Take a screenshot. Yes, everyone, take a screenshot of this. Okay, let's move to the next code. I remove this. I remove the code also. Okay, let's start with the another one. And okay, this is a, okay. Anyone can tell how many rows, how many column in it? Yes. Anyone? This is 4 by 3. Okay. Yes, anyone? 3 by 4. That's good. Palak having good answer. Manvi 3 by 4. That's good. Ritik 3 by 4. Good answer. Ananya 3 by 4. Good answer. Madhul Bansal. Good answer. 3 by 4. And okay, tell me in this column, row span, col span. In this column, row span, col span. Yes, col span. In this column, where does I have write C. C वाले column में क्या है? Row span, col span. Row span, that good. Mini Palak answer, 2 col span, 1 row span. 2 col span, 1 row span. Definitely, right? And this is also the col span. Okay, let's create this. Okay, let me create this. Okay. Yeah. So I am creating this. Okay. Okay. This is like this. Here are A and something like this. And here is C is here. What is left? C हो गया B, D, G, D. Here is D. Here is G. Here is B. Okay. And this is done. Okay. What in here more? E, F, H. Okay. There is H and there is E and there is F. Okay. Let's start this code. 3 rows first. TR and TR close. 3 rows first. And 3 rows first. After it, in first 3 columns. So TD A and TD close. Second we have B with col span equal to, and C with row span with row span, and the value will be 3, and there is C. Same way, DEF 3 columns are there. DEF. In the next row we have, here is D, here is E, or here is F. DE. This row completed also, and the last row only two columns are there. Yeah, net. Let me complete very fast. Okay, this is, so this is G and this is col span 2 and H. Okay, so done it. Let's see. Okay, Manvi, I'm not getting you. ये क्या लिखा है आपने? G है मतलब 1 भी है, I भी है, I don't know. what you said. Okay, let's run this code. I do F5 and you can got your output. Okay, ऐसे ही हो रहा है ना कुछ? Okay, H के बाद टेबल में अच्छा आई भी है, सॉरी सॉरी। ओके, कोई बात नहीं, इसको भी हम क्रिएट कर देते हैं। तो यहाँ पर मुझे ये आ गया, ये तो बहुत आसान है, ये लीजिए आई आ गया यहाँ पर, और मैं यहाँ पर भी क्रिएट कर देता हूँ। तो ओके, जस्ट वेट, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा मेरा आई, आई हो गया यहाँ पर। तो यहाँ पर हमें छोटा सा चेंज करना पड़ेगा। तो रो स्पैन हमने 3 करा हुआ है, उसको हमें करना पड़ेगा 2। ठीक है ना, रो स्पैन हमने क्या कर दिया 2, ये जो हमने 3 कर दिया है इसको 2 कर दिया, और यहाँ पर एक और कॉलम हमने बना दिया। नाउ सी योर आउटपुट डन। यस एवरीवन, ओके, नाउ दिस इज ओके। चलिए, तो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट, मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन राइट। चलिए, पहले मैं ये कोड आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए इस कोड का। दिस इज द आउटपुट with this is the code, this is the output. You can take a screenshot of it. Take one screenshot. Okay, take one screenshot. Yes, this is done by all of you. Okay, that's good. So I erase this all and I clear this. चलिए, so move to the next, sorry, move to the next. Yes, I received one message and yeah, okay. चलिए, move to the next. Yeah, where is my code? Yeah, okay, okay, give me brief about this code, this one. Yes, how many rows, how many columns are there? Yes, give me brief. Okay, I received answers. 3 by 4, 1 call span, 2 row span BE. क्या बात है, very detailed explanation Palak, very good answer, very good Palak Mittal, detailed explanation. Okay, A में call span by Manvi, by Mini 4 by 3. You mean 4 rows according to 4 rows? 1, 2, 3. No. Who give me the answer? 4 by 3. Tanishk and Mini Sharma. Beta 4 by 3 nahi, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the right answer. 3 is the row, right? Hello, Tanishk and Mini. 3 is the row. देखिए 1 first row, second row, third row. Columns, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. ठीक है? So here are 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay? Yes, 3 rows, 4 columns. And let's move this. Draw करते हैं जल्दी से इस drawing को अपने वेब पेज को बनाने के लिए। ओके, लेट मी स्टार्ट। तो कुछ है ऐसे, यहाँ पर है 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, and I need to check once because okay, there is A in the first row, only A, and this is the row. After it, B, C, D. Okay, B is here. Okay, and C and D is here, and one more thing is what, F is here. Okay, okay, What is the next? What is the next? Let me check. A हो गया, B हो गया, C, D, E. Sorry, E and F. Okay, okay. This is E basically. This is E. You can draw E, and this is done. Here is the F only, and this is like this. Okay, this is done, right? So let me check. Yeah, okay. चलिए ड्रॉ करते हैं जल्दी से. It's very easy. 3 rows are there. So first TR and TR is closed, and here is TD, and A is there, TD close, and this is what 1, 2, 3, 4. All span equal to 4. ठीक है. All span equal to 4. What about the second row? What about the second row? In second row, only B, C, D, E. So first is row span, ROW, row span 2, and it's D, right? What about next? Next is D, sorry, D. Next is Control Z and Control V. This is D. This is D. This is for E. This is C, and no row span, and for D, this is for E, and this is E, and this is E. Row span again. It is done. Okay, it is done. And then the last row, TR close. Only row, a single column is there. That is TD and TD close. Dot F. That is the equal. ठीक है ना? चलिए देख. And code try to F5. Oh yeah, to write F. My mistake. I forget. Yeah, it is F. Sorry, I had to write F. So all questions you must take of this code also. So you have you done this screenshot also? Yes. So this is all, everyone. Okay. Complete your questions where you did. They and if they are good, if they are right, so good and very good from my side. Okay. Check that all questions, and from tomorrow